guys, we gonna start our podcast about computer networking and artificial intelligence.
So before we start our podcast, us introduce ourselves. My name is Muhammad Awaluzaman. My name is 19250830.
And my name is Mirza Aldirobby Asyraf with name 192500108.
Okay, let's enjoy the video. Alright. Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Talk Podcast. With me Muhammad Awaluzaman as your host today. I hope you guys are doing great. Today we are going to talk about something that we use every single second of our lives, but we rarely think about how it actually works. Yes, we are talking about computer network. And to help us break it down, I have an awesome guest here, my friend Mirza. Hi Mirza, how it's going?
Hi, I'm going good. Uh, Thanks for having me. And yeah, you're right, totally. People always ask for the Wi-Fi password, but they never ask what the Wi-Fi actually is. And so I'm really excited to talk about this today.
Haha, exactly. So let's start with the most basic question. For someone who might not be an IT student, uh, in your own words, what is a computer network? Is it just bunch of cables connected in a router, or is there more of it?
Mm, Well, if you want to put it simply, a computer network is just a collection of computer and devices that are connected together, so they can share data and resource. Think of it like a highway system, and the cars are the data packets, and the roads are the cable or wireless signal. Without the network, the computer is an island completely isolated. But once it's connected, it can talk to millions of other devices around the world.
I love that highway analogy. That makes perfect sense. Now, as IT students, we know there are different types of networks, right? Like WAN, and MAN. Can you explain the difference of of three of these?
Sure, I will explain that. First, we have a LAN. LAN is which is the for local. Basically, we call it local area network. It is a small network like the Wi-Fi in your house or campus computer lab or office building. It's fast and limited to small area. And then, if you are want the bigger area, there is a MAN or metropolitan area network. This cover a whole city and like a network connecting different bank branches across the city. And the number three, we have the biggest one is the WAN or wide area network. This cover country or continent. The ultimate example of the WAN is the internet itself. It connects everyone and everywhere.
Alright. Wow, okay. So LAN is my home Wi-Fi and one is the wall internet. Got it. But look, nothing is perfect in this world. What are the biggest challenges or the problem when we talk about managing a computer network nowadays?
Absolutely. Security is definitely a number one. The moment you connect a device to a network, you open the door for potential hacker, malware, or data thief. That's why the things like firewall and encryption is so important. The second challenge is scalability and traffic. Imagine the highway during the rush hour, it gets jammed, right? The same time happens to the network when many people stream video or download huge files at the same time. The network slow down and we get a lag.
The nightmare of every gamer. Wow. So, looking into the future, how do you see computer networks evolving, especially with new tech coming out?
It's definitely getting faster and smarter. We are already seeing the massive rollout of 5G, and research are already working on the 6G, but more Importantly, networks are becoming more automated. We are moving toward the software-defined networking, where the software manages the traffic automatically instead of human configuring router manually one by one. It's a very exciting time to be studying this.
Ah, man, that sounds amazing. Thank you so much, Mirza, for sharing your insights about computer networks. It's really opened up my eyes.
My pleasure. Glad I could help you.
Yeah.
All right, guys, welcome to the second half in our podcast. For this topic, we are switching place. Now I'm your host as Mirza, and I will be interviewing the brilliant Dzaki about the topic that is literally reshaping human story right now. We are diving deep into artificial intelligence, or we call it AI. You know AI. So Dzaki, welcome to the host.
Thanks. I'm ready. AI is such a AI is such a hot topic right now. So let's get into it.
That's awesome. So AI is everywhere in our smartphone, in our social media feed, or even in our computer tool. But there is a lot of hype and fear around it. So what exactly is AI, and how do it actually think?
That's a great place to start. Uh, its core its core artificial intelligence is just a branch of computer science uh, that aims to create systems capable of performing tasks that would be normally require human intelligence. So things like learning, reasoning, problem solving, and understanding language. Now, about how it thinks AI doesn't actually think or have feelings like humans do. It uses algorithms and massive amounts of data. For example, through machine learning, we feed the AI millions of examples to something say picture of cats. The AI analyzes the patterns, learns what a cat looks like, and eventually it can recognize cat on its own. So it's all about the pattern, the recognition, and statistics, not actually consequence.
Right. So it's basically a super advanced pattern calculator, but a lot of people are genuinely scared of AI. They see movie like Terminator, or they worry about losing their future jobs. As tech student, how should we look at this? And is AI is a threat or a tool?
Honestly, I view it a powerful tool, an assistant rather than a replacement for humans. Yes, AI can automate repet- repetitive tasks incredibly fast. It can analyze financial data or write basic code in seconds. But AI likes things that make human unique. Emotional intelligence, true creativity, empathy, and deep critical thinking. Instead of replacing us, AI will change how we work. The real threat isn't AI replacing humans. It's humans who know how to use AI replacing human who don't.
Oh, that is a powerful statement. Human who use AI will replace those who don't. Uh, I love that. So, can you give a more example of how AI is being used right now and in the daily life that people might not realize?
Uh, yeah, it's everywhere. When you open Netflix or Spotify, and it recommends a movie or a song you might like that, and AI recommendation engine analyzing your request behavior. When you take a photo with your phone, and the camera automatically adjusts the lighting that AI computational photography, and of course, large language models that help people brainstorm ideas or translate language instantly.
True, it really has integrated into our life quietly. But what about the ethical side? What we are dangers or ethical issue we need to consider as the future developer?
Mm, there are two major issues: bias and privacy. First, AI learns from human data. If the data we give it contains human bias or prejudice, the AI will learn the AI will learn and repeat those biases. For example, an AI hiring tool might accidentally discriminate uh, against certain groups if it was trained or biased from historical data. Second is privacy. AI requires huge amount of data to learn, which means tech companies are constantly collecting our personal information. We need strict regulation to make sure our data is safe.
Wow, that's a very solid and critical point. We really need to build AI responsibility. Dzaki, we are reached the end of our time. Thank you so much for this amazing discussion about artificial intelligence.
Anytime, Mirza. Glad to be here. That's for our podcast about computer networks and artificial intelligence, or we can say AI.
Thank you for your attention and listening to our podcast. See you later.
Bye
Bye bye.
bye.
I promise I can